Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flartool developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Then you can learn all the information about your Oppo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!